Good afternoon and welcome to AUMcuisine, and thank you for joining me for lunch. I'm going to be making a really amazing, flavor-filled, protein-rich bean salad. So this is a really easy salad to put together, and I'm going to start with the dressing so that we are very clear on what goes into it. So first of all, I'm going to be putting in some Bombay flavored a certain sauce that we will link to the bottom of this video, and I'm going to put a big tablespoonful in the base. So remember, this is the one with the Bombay blend, so it has water, almonds, grapeseed oil, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, bragg liquid aminos, which is a soy protein, garlic, spices, and sea salt. So it's really amazing. This is kind of a fabulous product, and they come in various flavors, and I just seem to love this one for this. So I'm going to be putting in some extra garlic, maybe the paste of a couple of cloves, and to that some Baker and Olive Harissa extra virgin olive oil. To that I'm going to be putting in some black pepper, a teeny weeny bit of salt, and some extra acid in the form of lemon juice. So just blend all of that together, and you get a really nice creamy dressing that can go over your bean salad. So don't whisk it too hard, just make sure it mixes, and it's not completely immiscible because of the presence of the bee sauce. Let's call it the bee sauce. So there you go. Just gonna do a little I'm liking it, but I'm also gonna put a little bit more black pepper, so it's even better now, I'm sure. Okay, so that's ready to go. So let's start on the salad, okay? So this is really simple. So it just has some spinach and some watercress. I'm gonna be throwing in some black quinoa, not just for color, but also for the nutrition. So make sure this can be previously cooked, of course. In this case it is. And then I'm going to be putting in some carrots. I like it for the color, also for the skin, and it's beautiful here. I'm going to be putting in some garbanzo beans. This is also a fabulous recovery salad. So after you work out, this is just a perfect salad to have. You could take it with you also in a bowl jar with that dressing on the side, So it travels well. So then I'm also going to be adding in a couple of handfuls of edamame. And to this dressing, I'm going to be adding a little bit more black pepper. Black pepper is great this time of the year, by the way. Some salt to taste. And I'm going to give it a really easy toss. Beautiful, look at that. The colors and the flavors already intermingling, and I haven't even put the dressing on it. It's just beautiful. Okay, and to this I'm going to be adding in some pineapple balsamic vinegar, which is also from Baker and Olive. It gives the right amount of sweetness, and it also has a really lovely hint of acid from the balsamic vinegar. Okay, so that goes through, and I'm going to be ready to assemble and plate up in just a second. See you soon. So when I serve this, I love to do so on a plain white plate. Even though it is like a kitchen counter salad, it could be a fabulous addition to your dinner party, and it showcases really nice on a white plate. So I'm going to be putting some pixelated avocado on the side. Just cut that avocado a little bit up So maybe about half a serving of half an avocado. So 1/4 an avocado or so for one serving. And I'm going to add a little bit of the dressing there and a little bit of dressing on the salad itself. On this, I particularly would add a little bit more black pepper for some dimensional value. And it's time to do a taste test. So, yum, yum, yum. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. It has a hint of spice, and it has that little sweetness from the pineapple, and it's all things nice. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine. This is Vaidyaji Priyanka.